Okay, so this is my ancient ABIT KR7A motherboard from 2022. So I've replaced, let's see, these caps and them and a few around there as well, because they were leaking. So I don't know if this board's going to work. I don't know if it worked before, but I didn't really see the point in trying it with blown caps anyway. So I've hooked it up. Where are we? We've got power, got 5-volt power, so the orange LED is on, so that's a good start, I guess. Yeah, I have not tried this at all yet, so fingers crossed. We'll connect the power button and see what it does. Should be those two pins. Okay, we have fan spin, we have green LED. That's promising. What's the screen going to do? Come on. Okay, no video output yet. So I don't know if the CPU works or if the RAM works. We've got no fan spin on that. Okay, so I think that fan is knackered. I don't have a speaker on this, so I don't know if it's beeping. Inconclusive. Okay, so done a bit of diagnostics, bit of troubleshooting. Tried an AGP card, that didn't make any difference. Hooked up the beeper, speaker, and was getting long beep, long pause, long beep, and so on, which I think is bad RAM. So I've just changed the module out for another one. I bought 4 of the same for, in theory, a gig, but I guess we won't have a gig. Yeah, now it boots. It's got the wrong CPU speed, so could be a BIOS issue. It's quite an old BIOS, I think 6G. But yeah, that's quite promising so far. So yeah, fingers crossed, a bit more tweaking and it'll be up and running. Right, good news. Everything works. I'll just power it up. Let's see. There we go. So I've got all 4 sticks of RAM in now. I think it was just badly seated to begin with. So that's good news. The BIOS is now updated to the latest version, CX. Athlon XP1700 is working correctly. Yeah, it's pretty good. How old is this? 21, I don't know, 22-year-old hardware, something like that. Back up and running. Booting off a floppy drive, floppy disk I should say. Yeah, quite exciting. It should be a nice little XP system once it's done. Yeah, happy days.